Guys, this is Maheen from Oxen Educare and welcome back to the solving of IGCSE Maths B May 25 paper 2R. We're at question 6 now. So, question 6 says, a group of 90 students were asked if they own any of a dog, a cat or a horse. So as we can see, this is a question of a Venn diagram. Now to do it efficiently, we should fill the information out as we read them. Like, we know that there are a total 90 students in the group. 4 own all three. 4 own all three, a cat, dog, and a horse. 14 own a dog, and a cat. So 14 people own a dog and a cat. So to get the number of people who only own a dog and a cat, we need to subtract it from the people who own all three. So 14 minus 4, we get 10 here. 7 own a cat and a horse. So 7 people own a cat and a horse. So 7 minus 4, we get 3 people who only own a cat and a horse. 26 own a dog only. So 26 people here own a dog only. 2 own a horse only. So 2 people here own a horse only. 6 own none of these animals. So 6 people own none of these animals. And let X be the number of the students who own a cat. So X people only own a cat. Now, as you can see, we have one box here which is still unfulfilled. So how we can fulfill it is, we know that there are a total 90 students in here. So if we subtract all of the other numbers from 90, we will get the number of students who own a dog and a horse only. So let's subtract it. 90 minus 26. So let's subtract it. 90 minus 26 minus 4 minus 10 minus 3 minus 2 minus 6 and lastly minus x. So if you subtract all of them, we get 39 minus x. So we will write here 39 minus x. So we have our Venn diagram complete here. Now let's move on to question B. So the part B tells us the number of the students who own a cat is 37 more than the number of the students who own a horse. Find the value of x. So the number of students who own a cat, x plus 10 plus 4 plus 3, plus 3 is 37 more than the number of students who own a horse. So the people who own a horse, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 39 minus x. So this number is greater than this number by 37. So x plus 17 equals to 48 minus x. But we need to add 37 here to make them equal, as this number is greater than this number by 37. Now we can just solve this equation to find the value of x. 35 minus x, 2x equals to 68, x equals to 34. So as x equals to 34, let's substitute these values here. So this is 34, and this is 39 minus 34, which is 5. Now, the question number C tells us to find the the number of terms, which is D intersecting H prime. So H prime says anything that does not include H. So D intersecting H prime would be this box and this box, because these two boxes are out of H. So we're going to be writing D intersecting H prime equals 10 plus 26, which is 36. So question number D tells us to find C union D prime. So C union D prime is basically all the numbers that are outside C and D. So the numbers are 2 and 6. So we will write 2 plus 6, which is 8. So this is the answer for question number 6B, which is x equals 34, C, which is 36, and D, which is 8.